Hi there, I'm Sarah. Welcome to this Orgie Company video. Orgie Vol+Up Lifting Effect Cream for breasts and buttocks. If gravity is bringing you down, raise the volume with Vol+Up. Its formula, with 2% adiphylline peptide active ingredient, delivers progressive lifting and volume effects for firmer and fuller breasts and buttocks. What makes the active ingredient adiphylline peptide so special? It targets specific areas of the body that are vulnerable to the effects of gravity and aging. The peptide works by stimulating the formation of fat cells and lipid accumulation in the adipose tissue of targeted areas, increasing volume locally. You'll start noticing an increase of volume on your breast and buttocks in just 28 days, and they will appear firmer, fuller, and more uplifted in just 8 weeks. It is very easy to use. Simply apply just the necessary amount of Vol+Up on the intended area and massage in circular movements. For better results, apply twice a day in the morning and at night. Vol+Up is the perfect choice for women who want to enhance their silhouette, so we say it is your body, your choice. Keep daring yourself to feel good in your skin. Thanks for watching us, and goodbye.